Well, here is our brand new 10 by 12 Allen and Roth Gazebo. It's, if you're wondering what it is, it's number 307-35512, 10 by 12. I put this up the other day. It's the first time. I haven't even closed the mosquito net or the sides yet. So let's have a look at the inside first. It's quite big. It's very high. It's got a little mosquito net up there too to stop the mosquitoes from getting to the top. And let's have a look at the posts. Very solid. And the wraparound is tied on with Velcro. And inside here is the mosquito net. I'm gonna close the mosquito net off first to show you how that looks. So let's do one side at a time. Okay, there's the first mosquito net. Got the second one. Okay, that's the second one. That went pretty good. Now the third one and the fourth one. I'll do them together. There, I'm all boxed in here now. Full mosquito mesh. The only thing I would have anything to complain about would be the color of the screen. I'd rather have a black mosquito netting so you can't see it at night. It's a light beige right now, or light brown. It's kind of visible when you're in here, but that's okay. It still blocks the wind quite a bit. Now I'm going to close off the entire sides and make a complete room in here. There, I got all 4 walls installed and the mosquito net. The only thing I wasn't sure about was when I did the mosquito net first, I should have done the outside first because the zipper for the mosquito is inside the wall net. And one of the zippers didn't feel very good on the outside tarp, the blocking, so I'm probably gonna have a defective zipper soon. But other than that, I don't use those walls anyway. It's just more like when it rains or something. But anyway, I'm very impressed with this 10 by 12 Allen and Roth so far. I might buy a spare roof. The roof only lasts about 2 years and the structure lasts about 5. This is my second gazebo. Well, about 4 years of the last one. So probably every 4 or 5 years change it. The whole thing, I mean. But anyway, hope you like it. Let's have a look from outside now. It's on the deck, like I said. Our deck is pretty big, so we don't mind using it for the gazebo. We're out there all the time. And the only thing I want to mention, I did mount it to the deck with, I actually put a 2x10 underneath the deck and it's bolted down with lag bolts. I can't show you now because I got this. There, I got big lag bolts that go right down into a 2x10 on each corner, so it's very heavily anchored. But I like it out here. It's a really nice shelter in the evening when it calms down. A little windy this morning. That's okay, it's normal. Well, I hope it survives the high winds too. And I like it when it's nice and the mosquito net only. My wife likes it when it's wide open. So anyway, I'm going to put it back to normal in a few minutes. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. It's an Allen and Roth 10 by 12.